background ng Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine. This is called the House of History. And Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine in Kawit, Cavite is the place where the historic Declaration of Philippine Independence was publicly read by its author Ambrosio Bautista at the front window of the Grand Hall on June 12, 1898. This shrine is the ancestral home of Emilio Aguinaldo, officially the first president of the Philippines, the only president of the first Philippine Republic. So, quick background sa town of Kawit. Bayan ng Kawit, ipinataot noong ika-16 ang Kawit. Ay kilala noon bilang Cavite El Viejo, Lumang Cavite. Nagmula ang pangalan nito sa salitang kalawit o kawit, isang panghuli ng isda na kahugis din ng bayang ito.
Ang pinakakilalang parish church na nag-exist dito sa Kawit, Cavite. Ang old parish na pinakakilala dito sa Kawit, Cavite ay ang Santa Maria Magdalena Church Parish o ang Mary Magdalene Parish na itinayo noong 1757 ng mga Espanyol. Itatagsa ng mga devoto ang Mary Magdalene Parish lalo na sa Pista tuwing July 22. Dito na-adapt ng unang Pangulo ng Pilipinas na si Emilio Aguinaldo ang symbolic name na Magdalo in honor of Saint Mary Magdalene.
The patron saint of Kawit, Cavite is Saint Mary Magdalene. Manila Archbishop Miguel Garcia Soriano dedicated the Kawit Church to Saint Mary Magdalene to help improve the town's reputation. The Saint Mary Magdalene Church in Kawit is one of the oldest church in the Philippines.
Ano nga ba ang paboritong pagkain ni Emilio Aguinaldo? The first President Emilio Aguinaldo had a favorite meal, which is the Pancit Henoy. Straight from his baluarte in Kawit. At the same time, this meal meant using munggo sprouts instead of noodles.
Local government official in Kawit, Cavite in late 19th century. Sino nga ba ito? Uunahin na natin si Emilio Aguinaldo. He served as the captain principal or town mayor of Kawit in 1894 under Spanish colonial administration. His leadership extended to revolutionary activities when he became the commander-in-chief of the Philippine Revolutionary Forces. The structure of government in Kawit at the time consisted of officials such as cabezas de barangay or village heads who were responsible for collecting taxes and maintaining order.
Ano nga ba ang culture and beliefs? Tinis Festival, a Christmas event tradition that reenacts the Virgin Mary and Joseph search for a place to stay in Bethlehem. The festival includes a procession with clothes depicting biblical scenes and a panunuluyan in the St. Mary Magdalene Church. Participants portray biblical characters and the procession can be exhaustive.